Well, President Uhuru Kenyatta also used his Mashujaa Day speech to direct the Cabinet Secretary of Interior Fred Matiang'i to rein in on recklessness on the roads. President Kenyatta said indiscipline on the roads was to blame for the increasing number of accidents which have become a matter of concern.
Going forward, I direct the Ministry of Interior, together with the police leadership, to take every step to reverse the situation, especially in taking advantage of the new police reforms to deliver a noticeable improvement in the regulation of traffic. Equally important, passengers and drivers must be responsive to safety.